గట్టిగా Jai Bharat, I am Simla from 9th standard. Today, I am here to say about instant gratification and delayed gratification. Before going to know about it, once imagine you are writing your homework, suddenly the phone rings. You thought I will see one reel, but that one reel become 10. Later on, that 10 reel become 100. What will be the result? Marks gone, sleep gone, and mood gone. Why? Because you have selected instant gratification instead of future success. So, instant gratification means I want it now. It feels good now, but later we regret. For example, spending all pocket money in one day, watching TV instead of doing homework. Second one, delayed gratification. Waiting now, enjoying more later. It feels tough now, but later we succeed. For example, saving pocket money and buying good thing later. Studying now, scoring good marks tomorrow. So friends, remember, small sacrifices today make big rewards tomorrow. I am repeating it again. Small sacrifices today bring big rewards tomorrow. Control yourself. You will be the sign of the future. Thank you. I thank Janathan sir and Sneha teacher for inspiring me and supporting me a lot. Thank you.